How to change location on Twitter or X account. Let's get started. Launch your X app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the top left corner, you can find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. With that, different options will appear. Click on the option of settings and support. Under that, you will find the option of settings and privacy. Open it. With that, you will land to this page. Now over here, you're going to find different options. Click on this option, your account. Now click on the option of account information. Now click on this option, country. Now from this page, you are able to change location for your X account. Over here, you're going to find different country options. Go ahead and select the location that you want to set for your X account. Just click on it. Click on change. With that, your location on X account will be changed. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily change location on X or Twitter account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.